So today let's solve this problem. Time needed to inform all employees. ये प्रॉब्लम जून 3rd 2023 का लीड को डेली ఛాలెంజ్ ప్రాబ్లమే అండ్ ఈ ప్రాబ్లం నుంచి మనం చాలా నేర్చుకోవచ్చు. లెట్స్ సీ లైక్ వాట్ ఎగ్జాక్ట్లీ ద ప్రాబ్లమ్ స్టేట్స్. ద కంపెనీ హ్యాస్ n employees with an unique ID for each employee from 0 to n-1. The head of the company is the one with head ID. Head ID 2 అని ఇచ్చిండు, సో హీ ఈస్ ద హెడ్. From there the hierarchy will start. Each employee has one direct manager given in the manager array, where manager of I is the direct manager of the ith employee. Suppose if you take this 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. For 0 the manager will be 2. For 1 the manager will be 2. And it states that for the manager head ID it will be -1. 2 को -1 ఇచ్చిండు కాబట్టి దానికి ఏమని చెప్తాము, దానికి పేరెంట్ లేడు. ఫ్రమ్ 2 ఈజ్ ద మేనేజర్, ఫర్ 3 2 ఈజ్ ద మేనేజర్, ఫర్ 4 2 ఈజ్ ద మేనేజర్, ఫర్ 5 2 ఈజ్ ద మేనేజర్. ద హెడ్ ఆఫ్ ద కంపెనీ వాంట్స్ టు ఇన్ఫార్మ్ ఆల్ కంపెనీ ఎంప్లాయీస్ ఆఫ్ అన్ అర్జెంట్ పీస్ ఆఫ్ న్యూస్. దేర్ ఈజ్ ఒక న్యూస్ ఉంది, దాన్ని అందరికీ ఇన్ఫార్మ్ చేద్దాం అనుకుంటున్నారు. హీ విల్ ఇన్ఫార్మ్ హిస్ డైరెక్ట్ సబార్డినేట్స్ అండ్ దే విల్ ఇన్ఫార్మ్ దేర్ సబార్డినేట్స్ అండ్ సో అంటిల్ ఆల్ ఎంప్లాయీస్ నో అబౌట్ ద అర్జెంట్ న్యూస్. ఇట్ ఈస్ స్టేటింగ్ దట్ I will inform this 2, I will inform this 1, then I will inform this 3, then I will inform this to 7. I need to spread the news in such a way that everyone in the subordinate or everyone in this organization, every employee should know the news. The ith employees need inform time of 5 minutes to inform all of his direct coordinates. It states that, now if you see this carefully, for index 2 the time is 1, so it states that for 2 to inform news to 0 it will take 1 minute. For 1 also it will take 1 minute. For 3 1 minute. For 4 1 minute. For 1 5 minutes. In this way, for 2 to tell the news to all the subordinates, it will take inform time of 5. Return the number of minutes needed to inform all the employees about the urgent news. So we need to return like how much time it's gonna take to inform all the employees about this news. So let's see this example. अगर आप एग्जाम्पल को देखे है ना, 2 from 2 I can inform this all subordinates for 1 minute. 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute. Everyone has a news now, so I will say that answer is 1. अभी एक टेस्ट केस देखेंगे. लेट्स से दिस आई हैव ड्रॉन सो दैट इट विल टेक नॉट मच टाइम. फॉर ये सब दिया हुआ है, दिस 1 or the employee IDs and these are the times taken. If you see it carefully, 0 is taking 1 minute to inform 1 and 2. 0 is taking for inform 1 and 2. 1 minute it is taking for 1 and 2. For 1 it is taking another 1 minute. For 2 it is taking another 1 minute. So first if we think like this, we will think of a queue. Why can't we use queue and you can solve BFS so that we will get the minimum. अगर आप ध्यान से देखें तो ना 0 can save in 1 minute to 1. For 2 also it will take 1 minute. This both are same, right? And it is stating that inform time, I mean all his direct subordinates can start spreading the news. अगर 0 ने 1 को न्यूज़ बोल दिया, 0 ने 2 को न्यूज़ बोल दिया, 1 ने 3 को और 4 को न्यूज़ बोलना. अभी 1 need to say news for 3 and 4. 2 should not stop, right? 2 can also say. Why 2 will say like, okay, 1 employee ID 1, you tell the news for 3 and 4. I will wait sir sometime. If you use queue, what it will happen? It will take 1 plus. For this it will take 1 plus 1, because for 1 it is taking for 3 4. For 2 it is taking 5 and 6. And for 3 it is taking 7 and 8. 1 and 8 and 9. In this way you will consider everything. So what it will happen, every time the news is spreading he will wait, and it is stating that we should not wait. Suppose 0 is telling for 1 and 2 simultaneously, 1 and 2 start spreading the news to the next layer, and 3 and 4 3 4 5 6 should spread the news in the next layer. So what we'll think, okay, this problem can't be solved using BFS because queue can't be used. So let's think about a DFS. Let's think about DFS and let's think about a path. If you know the path, what it will happen. And here everything is 1. So if you go down, if you go like this, if you go like this, everywhere it is 1. Let's see another example to get more understanding. Here the parent is 0, 2, 5, 6, 7 it is given. I have constructed it. If you see this, you can construct, and these are all the times. For 0 to inform 2, it is taking 89. For 5 it is taking 89. For 2, for 5, for 6 it is taking 89. For 7 it is taking 89. 2 to inform 5. 2 it can't inform to anything, so it is taking 0, maximum 89. 5 it is informing 1. How much it is taking? 523. 523 plus 89, 612, right? 612 it is taking. For 6 it is if you come to 6 it is taking, no, for 3 it's taking 241 और 89 कितना है जी? 330 के आसपास या 330. So and 7, it's now 7 can say to 4, but it will take 519. ये कितना हुआ जी? 608. So if you see this, how much it is taking? Maximum 612, right? So I will say that it will take 612 minutes to spread all the news. Let's see like how we can store. Let's store this all in adjacency list. Adjacency list is used to represent the graph. अगर इसमें देखा हुआ है ना 0 को we can index 0. We can start from 2. For 2 we have 0. We will do for 2 we will do directed graph 2 to 1 and 2 to 0, 2 to 3, 2 to 4, 2 to 5. We will use directed graph because the other path is not required, right? 2 is the parent, it is going only down, it is not coming up. So this thing only required. So let's solve this using DFS, and let's see like, so we are storing, if manager, we are using vector pair adjacency of n, and we are iterating it, and if it is -1 we can say that it is an head. And manager of I, from the manager only we need to push to this thing, right? Because the manager of I is the one with this. Manager of I is 2. Sorry, smart look, it is coming. For 2 to 1 we are keeping, 2 to we are inserting 1. So in that way, only from manager we are going to subordinates. That's why from manager we are informing subordinates, and we are storing inform time, and this is not required. And we are calculating DFS. In DFS it's pretty straightforward. Direct DFS, we want the maximum path length. If you see it carefully, max path length to the leaf node. हम देखते हैं ग्राफ्स में ऐसा रहता. So this will take, this is the maximum path, it is taking 4. How we will know? Like directly using DFS we will calculate the maximum. In the same way, from 0 we will start. We want the maximum, whether it can go to 2, 5, 6 and 7. If you come to 2, from 2 it is nothing, so it will return 0 and it will return 89. Max of it will return only 89. If you come to 5, it is taking 89. From here it is taking 5 to 3, and from here it will return 0. From here it will return 523 plus 89, 612. अगर यहाँ पर देखो तो ना, यहाँ पर 0 रिटर्न होगा, यहाँ से 241 होगा, 241 प्लस 89 कितना जी? 330. देन इसमें 519 प्लस 89 602. इसमें 609 सॉरी, इसमें सबसे बड़ा कौन सा है? 612. सो आई विल रिटर्न 612. एज सिंपल एज दैट. Return answer, we are informing n of I, we are taking it. Suppose we are coming here, we will consider 0 plus DFS. We will go here and they will consider this time, how much time it gonna take, and then we will go in the upper. So in this way we can solve this problem. I think you understood it, and hope you understood the solution. And the time complexity is order of n, because every time it is coming down and every node in the graph is visiting. Time complexity would be order of n, and the space would be also the same order of n. And thank you for watching this, guys. If you like this video, please like,